Yes, hello everyone. Nandito naman po ang inyong lingkod para po mabigyan na naman po sa inyo ng ah, follow-through explanation regarding the CSEL of our country manager na si Ma'am Elin Tandario. So since then, we don't have our schedules for our uh, different areas na mga events or activities like road shows, okay? So hindi pa tayo nakapaskil kasi during the Zizel, wala pong nabanggit and at the same time, wala pa pong na-post. So, we will just wait kung kailan yung ating mga activities about sa ating roadshow. Now, let me proceed about our October promotions. Okay? Para at least malaman natin at maintindihan natin ano yung mga promotions na yon, paano natin sila i-achieve. Okay? So, first is, mano-mano pa rin po tayo. Ganun pa din, okay? So, let me tackle this free Summit Magazine promo period October 1 to 18. So, for those who are premier loyalty members of this club na nag 150 LP pataas na hindi bumababa, na continuous po sila. So, when you're going to order 150 LP pataas, we are going to receive a free Summit Magazine for this month of October. So, single receipt po, kaisa lang po siya. So, ayan. And then, next is, ano ba to? Pasensya na ha, live tayo eh, na naka-record. So, kasali din po yun. So, next is our, ayan. So, medyo, mag-delay lang tayo ng konti kasi medyo nakalimot na ako yung operation nito. So, next po is all about our, this one. Excuse me. Our, yan. Our Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. So, ito naman ngayon is all about a great escape through Fast Start Challenge ang gagawin po. So, unlike po sa gusto mag-great escape na ma-achieve yung presidential at ma-maintain in 3 months time, in 3 times within 6 months, ito naman po ay another great escape through Fast Start Challenge. So, sino yung mga available or ang mga eligible to participate? So, those affiliates through the rank of Silver Elite, yung as of September 1, 2024, and those who sign up at least one new preferred customer in the first start program between September 1 to December 1, 2024 are eligible to participate. So, for those who are Silver Elite, actually, mamaya ano natin, no, itatakal natin kung ano po talaga ang pinakamas malalim na explanation regarding this Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. So, proceed tayo sa another slide. So, ito yung another slide natin. Pasensya na kasi medyo nauna ito last October 1. So, the Great Escape Challenge, Fast Start Challenge, this is the important note. These points are cumulative and there is no cap on the number of points you can earn. So yes, lahat po makaka-earn, especially if you are able to uh, get the proper instruction and you are able to do it properly, the instruction. So may instruction tayo, lahat po pwedeng magkakaroon ng points, okay? Sa mga gustong ma-avail ang Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. Another thing, ayan. Next is, balik pa rin po tayo doon sa ating photo. Biglang konting tiis lang kasi naghahanap ako ng paraan na ako ng laptop, makapag-provide ng laptop. The next is, so ito po yung mechanics, okay? So the mechanics is, ito po yon. So example, enrolled in your first 3-level points starts with enroller. Okay? So kung ang new affiliate is enrolled, yung bagong enrolled na affiliate, in your first 3-level, kumbaga, ikaw yung may bagong affiliate, kung ako may bagong affiliate. Okay? nagkaroon ako ng new affiliate na na-enroll ko in my first to third level. So, through Fast Start in May, nung start nung May, okay, makaka-receive po tayo ng 20 points. Like for example, ako po, meron ako napapasok na nag-fast start nung May. Okay? Pag siya po ay magkaroon ng loyalty, I think magkakaroon ito ng loyalty, then you are going to receive points. Like for example, new affiliate places 150 LP loyalty each order in October. So October, you will receive 10 points. Then new affiliate places 150 LP. Yung mga new po, yun po yung pumasok last month or this month. Okay? So, yung affiliates places 150 loyalty order in October, November, December will receive 10 points plus yung merong enrolled or new affiliate na merong order sa first three level through Fast Start. Ibig sabihin, pumasok ng enrollment na 400 LP ay magkakaroon ng points up to 50 points total of this, okay? Sample lang po ito. Another sample is, pasensya na ha, another sample, okay? So, ang ano natin ngayon, ang announcement natin ngayon is very maliit lang. So, ito po yung ating announcement. So, next is, ayan. So, another example is personal enrolled. So, personal enrolled, a new affiliate with fast start in September. Nag 400 LP yung pinasok ninyo or nag-enroll under sa'yo noong September. Okay? Pag nag-loyalty po yan, makaka-receive po sila ng points. Okay? Kapag personal enroll, a new affiliate with fast start in September, makaka-receive ng 40 points. Yung new affiliate places 150 LP loyalty order in October, November, December, makaka-receive ng 20 points. So overall is total of 100 points. So yan po ay isang sample lang po ng ating scenario. So personal enrolled yan, ikaw mismo nagpapa-enroll. Nagpa-enroll ka nung tao mo nung September na pumasok, kapag nakapa-enroll siya, meron kang makuha 40 points. Okay? At yung tao mong pinasok na nag-fast start, magkaroon ka ng 20 points kapag sila ay nag-loyalty. Okay? Next is, so yun po yun. I hope na-get natin, And then next slide is, pasensya na, dahil medyo talaga mag-ano tayo. So, this, Great Escape Fast Start Challenge win through new Fast Start enrollments and loyalty program orders. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, ang ma-qualify po tayo or magiging qualifier po tayo kapag nagpa-enroll tayo ng mga Fast Start 400 LP. Hindi po qualified yung 150 LP na enrollment. Dapat po ang enrollment para ma-qualify tayo na makasali sa Great Escape through Fast Start Challenge is dapat ang ma-enroll natin is 400 LP na registration na i-order ng isang mag-i-enroll. Okay? So, and then after that, after enrollment of 400 LP, kapag nag-loyalty ito sa loyalty program natin, then another points ang marireceive natin. Yun na po yung mga 20, 10, 40, yun na po yung makukuha natin. And the next po is, ayan. I hope pag hindi klaro po sa inyo, magsabi lang po kayo para maano natin. I-clarify nyo kung gusto nyo pang i-clarify. And then, ito po yon. So, how many people win? Dito po sa Great Escape Fast Start Challenge, top 30 points earners worldwide, ibig sabihin hindi po sa Pilipinas lang, kundi sa buong mundo, will earn a Great Escape trip. So, ibig sabihin, 30 katao ang pwedeng maging winner sa ating Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. So, ang winners by rank po siya. So, 16 ka affiliate na from associate, nag-rank up siya to Diamond Elite. Okay? Na nakapag-rank up siya at puro halos fast start ang pasok niya. So kung nagpasok siya ng puro fast start from associate to Diamond, ang pinapasok is po 400. So kung ilan yan sila ang naging qualifier dyan, 16 lang ang pwedeng makakasali. Then, 7 presidential to presidential elite. Ibig sabihin, pag ikaw ay isang presidential na at naging presidential elite ka at marami kang pinasok na fast start, so mag-aano ka niyan, magkukumpit kayo niyan kung ilan kayo na 7 lang pwedeng makasama. So ikaw ang pinaka-highest or from the first pinaka-highest down to the 7th na pinaka-highest, yun po yung makakasama. Just like 16 ka-associate going to Diamond Elite. Then, the last one is 7 bronze to silver. Ibig sabihin, isa kang bronze na nag-fast start ka, may mga pina-enroll ka na nag-400 LP at umakyat ka sa level ng silver elite. So, that would be on December 1, that would be on September 1 up to December 31, 2024. Yan po ang pinaka-last po natin na challenge for this year up to December. Okay? But wait, there's more. So, pasensya na, medyo nagkakamali-mali ako sa pagtuklok-tuklok dito. Okay? Then the last, not the last one. So, yan na. So, another muna, i-ano ko muna sa inyo, i-announce ko muna ito sa inyo on October 13, 2024, 2 p.m. Sunday, meron po tayong Doc Talk sa For Life. Okay? So, this is all about the Breathe. Okay? Yung ating bagong product na Breathe. So, Breathe Easy, Transfer Factor Breathe Product Training. So, ang magti-training po sa atin po ay isang doktor, si Dr. Ayan Cabalza. Now, we need to attend this kind of training kasi magbibigay po ng mga benefits si Doc Ayan about the Breathe. Okay? So, yung Breathe product natin is itatakel ni Dr. Ayan kung ano po ang mga benefits nito, paano po siya i-serve, ilang dosages po. So, yan po siya. So, ito po ay gaganapin sa Baguio, For Life Baguio office. Pero, ano siya, naka-Zoom po yan. So, pwede po tayong umattend sa Zoom. Ila-live po nila yan para makapag-attend yung nasa malayo at makakakuha ng tip about the benefits of this Breathe. Okay? So, next natin na i-discuss is all about, pasensya na ha, medyo tayo. So, it's all about our break rank promo. So, si Ma'am Lalaine po, nakapag-break rank siya last month, September ng QD. So, since naging qualified diamond siya, so, ang marireceive niya or ang ma-receive niya last month na qualifier, na qualified na package, gift pack na ibibigay ng company is 2 Ghost Sticks and then 2 prebiotic, isang transfer factor pure, and isang reflection. So, yun po yung last month, September. Ngayong October po, kapag kayo po ay naging Diamond or Diamond Elite as first time, makaka-receive kayo ulit ng Energy Go Sticks. And then, meron kayong isang cardio, may isang Male Pro, at isang Transfer Factor Pure. Kapag nag-rank up naman tayo ng Presidential to Presidential Elite, meron tayong 2 Go Sticks, 2 Pure, isang Fiber System Plus, at 3 klaseng targeted product like Cardio, Male Pro, and Glue Coach. So, dito naman sa advanced rank to bronze, okay? Dito naman sa sa presidential to presidential elite, meron din po tayong 24,000 worth of gift pack yan. And then 26 naman sa bronze. So, meron siyang 3 glutamine prime. As is na po yung iba. So, dinagdagan ng isa pang Energy Go Sticks. So, excuse me. Okay? So, yan po ang ating another madi-discuss. Then, another thing to discuss is, pasensya na kayo ha, medyo Katulgo na gid ko, pero I need to do this para meron kayong ma-explain sa inyo ng further about the promo of October promos. Okay? Now, what's the good news in this October? We have a double or two times, okay? Double your qualification by advancing or maintaining rank this October. So for those who are already diamond, kailangan lang natin ito ma-achieve na makuha natin siya, na ma-maintain natin siya ng diamond. Kasi magiging two times tayo maging diamond. Kasi sa mga old diamond, like nag-diamond noong September, or lumang diamond, mga dating diamond, kapag ito po ay ma-maintain nila this October, instead na apat, four times kayong magme-maintain in 6 months, ang mangyayari nito, kasi hanggang December lang promotion nito, kaya meron tayong double this time of October. Para we have already advantage na meron na tayong dalawang beses na naging diamond or diamond elite or presidential and above. Okay? Ginawa itong times 2 para makakope up pa tayo until December. So, yung mga nag-rank up ng September or dating nag-rank up na ng Diamond, Diamond Elite, Presidential and above, pag ma-hit ninyo this month itong 2 times or double your qualification, so, ibig sabihin, meron na po kayong times 2 plus yung previous ninyo na maintain, okay? And then, last this, ang counting nito is September, okay? September, hindi po yung mga previous pa. Pero yung mga dati, kailangan, kung diamond kayo dati, kailangan mag-diamond elite kayo na bago, okay? Pero yung mga new diamond lang nung September, pwede silang mag-maintain ng 4 times. At pwede silang ma-avail itong 2 times para 3 beses na sila nakapag-avail. Yung una nung September, like Ma'am Lalaine, naging diamond siya nung September. Pag makuha niya pa itong another diamond na maintenance, times 2, 3 na siya nakapag-diamond. Isa na lang kulang para makuha niya na ang Boracay. Good for 2. Okay? The same din po sa Diamond Elite. Like for example, may nag-Diamond Elite. Okay? Like for example, ako, nag-Diamond Elite ako. So, kapag ma-double ko siya this month, ma-maintain ko pala siya this month, magiging double siya. So, 3 na ang aking Diamond Elite na na-maintain. Kailangan na lang ng isa para makuha ko po yung Boracay. Kasama ang asawa ko, pwede ko isasama ang anak ko. The same po sa Presidential and above na ma-maintain din po na may personal siya na enrolled na Diamond or Diamond Elite, qualify for the promotion, maintain a minimum of presidential 3 times within 6 months. So, kapag matuhog naman ni presidential ang 3 times na presidential, aside sa Boracay, meron pa siyang Great Escape going to Bali, from Singapore to Bali, Indonesia, in different cities of Bali and Singapore. So, yun po yan siya. Okay? So, make it sure that this month of October, kung kayo ay isang preferred customer or associate or builder, kapag kayo po ay maging diamond or new diamond elite, kayo po ay double. Twice nyo itong kinuha. So, meron pang chance pagka November, December, pag makuha pa rin natin yan, na ma-maintain ang diamond elite, ay makaka-Boracay na po tayo. Good for 2. Yung sobra na isa, like for example, isama ko anak ko, kami na po magagastos nun. Okay? So, yun po yun siya. So, klaro? So, kung may mga tanong kayo, PM nyo lang po sa akin. And then, the other thing is about sana yun? Wait lang. Ayan. So, other thing is about yung ating Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. So, yung Great Escape na kaninang sinabi ko sa inyo na merong 16 na associate to Diamond Elite, ang pwedeng makasama, 7 Presidential to Presidential Elite and 7 Bronze to Silver Elite, ay pwede pong mag-Great Escape ng Fast Start Challenge. At itong challenge na ito from September to December 30-31. Okay? So, yung instruction niya, yun na yung in-explain ko kanina. Ito mahaba na ito na instruction. So, in-explain ko kanina about the point system. And then the next, the other thing is to discuss, it's all about fast start pa din. Ito po yun. Okay? Ayan. So sa Fast Start Challenge, have a chance to qualify for an additional Great Escape slot. So, ang Great Escape Fast Start Challenge period September 1 to December 31 will be on Bali Adventure Cruise. Okay? How to earn points. So, step 1 is, kanina sa sinabi ko, so i-recap lang natin, yung mga affiliate must have at least one personal enrolled fast start participants. So, letter A, meron siyang isang fast start enrollment, may 40%, may 40 points ka na niyan. And then letter B, every month that fast start enrollee completes 150 loyalty order up to December, meron kang additional 20 points. Every month yan. From September, November, December, kapag nag-loyalty yan, meron kayong 20 points. And then step 2, affiliate will earn points with every fast start enrollment within his, her first 3 level. Okay, 3 levels. First, letter A, one fast start enrollment will have also 20 points. Then every month, fast start enrollee complete 150 loyalty order, meron siyang 10 points. Ibig sabihin, yung nag-enroll hanggang sa third level ay meron siyang makukuha 20 points sa mga nag-fast start na nag-enroll. For example, may nakuha ako at siya ay 400 LP at pagkatapos the following month, nag-loyalty siya. So, meron akong 20 points na makukuha sa kanya. Then every month, that fast start enrollee complete 150 LP loyalty order. In 3 months time, may additional 10 points. So, mabilis lang ang pagkuha ng malaking points dito kasi every galaw, every loyalty, every pasok, meron tayong points. Okay? So, kailan po ito ang travel? So, pupunta tayo ng Singapore from our point of origin, let's say Cotabato City. From Awang to Manila, libre po yan. Good for 2, ikaw na po magbabayad kung dalahin niyo po yung anak ninyo. Katulad sa amin, dalahin namin si Raj. So, babayaran namin si Raj, pero yung dalawa is good for 2 na yon, libre po yun. From Awang to Manila. Manila to Singapore, Singapore to Bali, Indonesia, in different cities of these two countries are all free. Pagbalik sa Manila at Manila to Cotabato are all still free. Okay? So, magagastusan lang namin doon is ang magiging tag dito, fare ng anak ko from Awang to Manila, Manila to Awang, vice versa. So, yun lang gagastusin namin. But the rest, papunta ng kasama na po sila doon. Okay? So, yun. Then, another thing is, wait, ano pa ba ang hindi ko na-discuss? Siguro na-discuss ko na po siya lahat dahil na-discuss ko na wala na tayong additional pa dito. So, yun lang po ang aking announcement, ang aking ni-recap na Zizel ni Ma'am Elin Tandario. Para at least kung may mga tanong kayo, just call my attention, PM me, or call me, or text me, okay? Para po ay mabigyan ko po kayo ng instructions or mas maano ko, mas elaborate ko at ma-explain ko further regarding these promotions. Okay? Pag hindi klaro sa inyo, just call my attention, call me, PM me, text me. Yun lang po para mas ma-explain ko na mabuti sa inyo. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi. Happy weekends po sa inyong lahat. Good night!